My name is ReOrder, I'm a trance music producer, and I started my music production journey back in 1997. I was only 13 years old, but when I heard the first trance tracks, I was hooked right away. My first music was, of course, not that good, to be really honest, but it did not discourage me, and I really wanted to make my music, and I wanted it to be heard. So I kept working hard, and I got my first big success in 2009 when I released my very first Vine. I had my first play by Armin van Buuren, and I got my first feature favorite, I got my first tune of the week. People started to notice it. I started to release this on the big labels like Armada Music, Black Hole Recordings, and many others. I started to tour the world. My first actually abroad gig was in Australia, and then I started to play in the USA and all around the world. Ever since the beginning, I had this thing that I wanted to help people with a dream. The dream that I had, and it took me so long. So I started ReadyForMasterClass.com, a website solely dedicated to sharing my knowledge and everything that I learned in the music industry. So on Ready for Masterclass, you will find everything that you need, showing you how things are done, how they are really done, how you don't have to overproduce, how you can make your tracks in just few hours, introducing techniques that simplify everything that you do and show you how to make music the way that it's comfortable and make you feel really proud about yourself that you put out the music that actually sounds good. As an example, I can think of Ghost Etiquette. Pete and Shane, they approached me just in the beginning of COVID when I started to teach. Let's be honest, they had really good knowledge of music theory and how to make music, but the music just didn't sound that good. It didn't have that oomph effect that labels are looking for. They already had some releases, but let's face the reality, they didn't get them anywhere. So we started to work together, and guess what? In just 2 years of working together, they had their first big release on the biggest trance label in the world, A State of Trance. And they followed up with another one, and another one. And now they're actually getting their first bookings. They started to pop on events in Canada, and now they will be playing as an opening DJ for Armin van Buuren himself. I'm not gonna lie to you, you will not become a great musician in 1 month. It's a work, it's a process. But what I'm offering you is something that will help you to make that process much easier. We try to put on classes every month and also create products that will simplify your music production journey. If you're looking for samples or preset packs for the best plugins out there, we have them. And every one of them is tailored to your needs. Just want to give you tools that actually do help you get your music done. So now it's down to you. This is your first step into being your own best producer and have your music heard. So now feel free to browse around and welcome to the family.